Elmo loves the alphabet.
E is for Elmo.
E is for Elmo.
What's your favorite letter?
Do you have a favorite letter?
Elmo loves the alphabet.
How do we get him to say ABCs? I don't know how you do that. Let's see. Oh, we have to. You press his hand. Good job. You feel it in there?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Is Elmo singing to you?
Yeah, I think. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with Elmo?
Yay!
E is for Elmo.
Ha 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 ha!
Elmo loves the alphabet. E is for Elmo.
Do you like Elmo? That means yes. And show 'em, Grandma, you like your penguins? They make lots of noise. And the big ball. You like all your new toys, don't you? You've been playing with the ball all morning. Yeah, you reach for the ball. Say yay! Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you. Give her a big kiss. Thank you, Grandma. Yay!
What's your favorite letter?
Is that Elmo?